Hey, it's Cassandra with Prince George Ford. We're here at the Pre-Owned Supercenter, and today we're having a look at this 2014 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim. This beautiful lightning blue color, absolutely gorgeous truck. Powered by a 3.5 liter V-6 Ecoboost engine, so lots of towing and hauling capabilities. Got a great box liner in here, so anything you throw back here, you're not going to have to worry about that wrecking the box, bouncing around back there. Tow package on there, obviously. This does qualify for a Ford Certified Pre-Owned program, so that guarantees that the vehicle has never been in an accident. And there's also a bunch of other really great incentives. Highly recommend phoning in, speaking to one of our product specialists. They can go through all the different goodies that program can get you. Let's have a look into the back seat of this Super Crew, because they're absolutely massive. There's a ton of legroom back here for your passengers. You've got a 12-volt power source there on your center console. Your seats are 60/40 folding split bench, giving you a ton of flexible flat storage back here as well if you're not hauling people. Coming up to the front door, you'll see that this does have the entry pad here on the door, so you get a unique digit pin to your vehicle. You can use that to lock and unlock your vehicle without having to utilize your keys. Power locks, power mirrors, power windows on here. Great door storage as always. You've got a combination of power and manually adjusting seats in here. This gray cloth upholstery with a sports console. Durable, easy to look after. So having a look here at our dash, you can see this unit is sitting at 83,238.9 kilometers, just about ready to roll over to 39. You've got cruise control on the left hand side of your steering wheel, and infotainment and Bluetooth controls on the right hand side. Moving over to our infotainment, I've got us in reverse right now, so you can see that this truck does have the backup camera equipped with guidelines and parking aid sensors as well. So if you're getting too close to something, the truck is going to alert you to that. You got AM, FM radio, CD, auxiliary, Sirius, Bluetooth, everything you're going to need to stay entertained. And then a really nice simple layout for your HVAC controls is just below the controls for your infotainment system. You have your 4x4 options on your turn dial there, and then just below that a trailer brake controller. So this truck is definitely ready to go to work. Then you've got this great center console here with 2 cup holders and then a ton of storage here. Some coin storage. And then just as we hop out here, I'm going to show you, you've got this beautiful little moonroof here letting daylight into the cab. So if you want to take this beautiful blue truck for a test drive, you can give us a call, 250-563-8111, or pop by and visit us, and let's see what we can get you into today. Thanks for watching.